Today, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about geometry. You'll remember the geometry is talking about things like points, lines, rays, and segments, and different types of shapes. So first, I wanted to remind you of some different words, such as point. A point is the exact location or position. So if we look at this line down here, we can remember that a line is made up of lots of little teeny tiny points. Next, we have a line segment. A line segment is part of a line and it has two endpoints. One endpoint on one side, one endpoint on the other. It doesn't have to lie horizontally, it can be diagonally or other directions as well. A ray is a part of the line that has one endpoint and then continues forever and ever and ever and ever and ever in one direction. That endpoint can be on any side, it just has an arrow on the other. An angle is formed when two rays share an endpoint. And this part right here is called the vertex. So this is an angle here, and you'll remember that we can have angles going different directions. So our angle can kind of move, it can turn from side to side, but an angle is two rays together at the vertex. Also wanted to remind you about polygons. And if you remember our polygon song, you remember there's lots of different names for polygons. But the thing I wanted to really remind you of is that a polygon is a shape with lines that connect. So each of the lines has to connect and they have to have straight lines. There can't be any curved lines. So you'll look at this shape and you're like, is that a polygon? Well, yes, because all of the lines connect and all of them are straight lines. But these are not polygons. For example, this shape, a circle, has curved lines, not a polygon. This figure, the lines don't connect, so it's not a polygon. In this figure, you have both curved lines and you have these lines up here that don't connect to anything else. This one down here, the top is a polygon, but then we get to this bottom section, the lines don't connect. So this entire figure is not a polygon. So now it's your turn. Pause the video in between and see if you can figure out what figure is being shown here. You're right, this one is a line segment. How about this one? If you said line, you are correct. It has two arrows and goes forever and ever in both directions. The line is made up of many points. How about this one? If you said ray, you have it right. It has an endpoint and goes on forever and ever in this direction. How about this one? If you said line again, you have it. It has arrows that go in both directions. Don't forget each of these vocab words as you try your next activity.